Welcome back, healthcare innovators and AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative applications of artificial intelligence, revolutionizing how we discover new medicines. Imagine a world where developing life-saving drugs is no longer a decade-long multi-billion-dollar gamble, but a streamlined, data-driven process. If you're passionate about technology's power to save lives and improve health, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore how AI is turning drug discovery into a dramatically accelerated journey, making the medicines of tomorrow a reality today. Let's get started and see how AI is reshaping the future of healthcare. Traditional drug discovery has long been compared to finding a needle in a haystack. The process is slow, expensive, and fraught with risk. From identifying a biological target to screening compounds, optimizing leads, and conducting preclinical and clinical trials, each step can take years. In fact, it often takes 10 to 15 years and costs up to $3 billion to bring a single drug to market, with a staggering 90% failure rate. The sheer complexity of biological systems, the vast number of potential compounds, and the siloed nature of clinical and genetic data all contribute to these challenges. But what if there was a way to cut through this complexity and accelerate the journey from discovery to cure? Artificial intelligence is stepping in as the ultimate research assistant, capable of analyzing millions of compounds and predicting their effects in days rather than years. AI applications span every stage of drug discovery, from identifying disease-causing proteins and biomarkers to virtually screening vast libraries of compounds to designing entirely new molecules with optimal properties. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AI even helped identify existing drugs that could be repurposed, saving precious research time. By turning massive, complex biological data into actionable insights, AI is not just accelerating drug discovery, it's increasing the chances of success and opening doors to treatments that were previously unimaginable. A range of AI technologies are powering this revolution. Machine learning models like random forests and neural networks classify drug-target interactions and recognize complex molecular patterns. Graph neural networks analyze molecular structures, while transformers excel at protein sequence analysis. Deep learning models can predict whether a drug will bind to a target protein, and generative AI creates novel molecular structures with desired properties. Natural language processing tools scan scientific literature and clinical notes, extracting valuable insights at scale. Together, these technologies are making it possible to design, test, and optimize new drugs faster and more efficiently than ever before. AI-driven drug discovery isn't just theoretical, it's already delivering results. Companies like In Silico Medicine used AI to identify a novel target for fibrosis and design a new drug candidate in just 46 days, advancing to clinical trials at record speed. DeepMind's AlphaFold revolutionized protein structure prediction, enabling a deeper understanding of drug-target interactions. Benevolente identified baricitinib as a potential COVID-19 treatment by analyzing literature and clinical data, leading to emergency use authorization. Atomwise and Recursion Pharmaceuticals are leveraging AI for virtual screening and high-throughput testing, partnering with major pharmaceutical companies and building massive biological datasets. These breakthroughs are just the beginning. Let's break down the AI-powered drug discovery workflow. It starts with data collection and integration. Genomic data, protein structures, chemical libraries, clinical trial results, and scientific literature are all gathered and standardized. Next, AI analyzes genetic data to identify disease targets, followed by virtual screening of millions of compounds to predict binding affinity and toxicity. The top candidates are selected for laboratory testing. AI then suggests chemical modifications to optimize efficacy and safety, and finally, clinical trials are optimized using AI for patient selection and outcome prediction. This streamlined workflow dramatically reduces time and cost, making new treatments more accessible. A variety of platforms and tools are driving AI-powered drug discovery. Schrödinger, Atomwise, Benevolente, and In Silico Medicine each offer specialized AI platforms for different aspects of the process. Open-source tools like DeepChem enable researchers to train models and analyze chemical data, while cloud platforms from AWS, Google, and Azure provide scalable computing power. Databases like CHEMBL, PubChem, and UniProt supply the essential data. However, challenges remain. Biological data is often noisy, incomplete, and difficult to standardize. Privacy concerns and regulatory requirements add further complexity. Solutions include federated learning, data cleaning pipelines, and synthetic data generation to ensure quality and compliance. Looking ahead, AI is set to make drug discovery even more personalized, efficient, and impactful. Emerging trends include personalized medicine tailored to individual genetics, multimodal AI that integrates genomics, imaging, and clinical data, and generative AI that creates entirely new drug candidates. Digital twins, virtual patients, will allow researchers to simulate drug effects before real-world trials. Advances in predictive models, quantum computing, and unified data integration will further accelerate progress. Societal benefits include faster access to medicines, lower costs, and a renewed focus on rare and neglected diseases. Still, challenges like regulatory frameworks, data privacy, algorithm bias, and validation must be addressed to ensure safe and equitable progress. The future of medicine will be shaped by those who can bridge the gap between biology and artificial intelligence. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or student, there are countless ways to get involved. Learning AI and machine learning techniques, collaborating across disciplines, building new tools, and contributing to open-source projects. By combining expertise in biology and computer science, we can create solutions that were once unimaginable. AI in drug discovery is not just about technology, it's about hope, health, and saving lives. Every new medicine discovered brings us closer to a healthier future for all.